Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to set up a maintenance page in Wix so you can let visitors know when your site is being updated. First, go to editor.wix.com and log into your account. From your dashboard, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. On the left-hand panel, click Pages and Menu. Here you can manage and add pages to your site. Click Add Page. The options, select Landing Page. This gives you a simple base to work with. Now, browse through the templates and choose the Maintenance template. This is designed specifically to notify visitors that your site is temporarily unavailable or under construction. Once selected, your maintenance page is ready. You can customize the text or design if you'd like, but the core setup is complete. And that's it. You've successfully added a maintenance page to your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials. Happy editing!